Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Sleeper mock draft feature. So let me tell you guys, Sleeper's mobile mock draft tool is to test draft strategies, customize lake settings, and practice against smart AI or real users. So to set up and run a mock draft on the Sleeper, what you can do is head to your Sleeper Sports app, then tap the Fantasy tab at the bottom left corner of your screen, then scroll down to mock draft and then tap on it. Once you tap on it, select the sport you want to draft, for example, basketball, football, or soccer. Once you select it, tap the settings icon at the top right corner to adjust roster size, draft type, time per pick, and whether you want to mock against AI or invite friends. Now, once you do that, tap on the draft board at your desired pick numbers or choose pick for me. Now tap Start Draft. When it's your turn, search or tap on an available player and select Draft. If you have to step away, you can pause the draft or enable the AI to auto draft for you. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.